When it comes to maintaining or upgrading your Washington, D.C. business, one of the most impactful improvements you can make is installing new windows. Often overlooked, windows are essential components of your business's overall appeal, comfort, and energy efficiency. Whether you own a retail space, office building, or any other commercial property, commercial window installation is a smart investment that provides numerous benefits. From enhancing curb appeal to improving energy efficiency and security, new windows offer a variety of advantages that can help your business thrive. Boosting curb appeal and first impressions. First impressions are crucial, and the windows play a significant role in how potential clients, customers, or business partners perceive your company. In Washington, D.C.'s competitive business landscape, standing out is essential. Installing high-quality, modern windows can significantly boost your building's curb appeal, making it more attractive and inviting. Not only improve the aesthetic of your business, but can also reflect your brand's professionalism and attention to detail. Whether you opt for sleek, contemporary designs for a modern office building or elegant, classic windows for a historic property, the right windows can enhance your building's overall look and help you attract more foot traffic and clients. Window installation can make your business stand out in a crowded market by showing that you invest in the appearance and upkeep of the property. Improved energy efficiency and reduced costs. Washington, D.C. experiences diverse weather patterns, ranging from cold winters to hot summers. During these seasons, inefficient windows can lead to uncomfortable temperatures inside your business, forcing your heating or cooling systems to work harder and increasing your energy bills. Drafts, air leaks, or poor insulation are common problems with old windows, causing your HVAC system to consume more energy. New windows with advanced features such as double or triple glazing, low E coatings, and insulated frames can significantly improve your building's energy efficiency. These energy-efficient windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, keeping your business cool in the summer and warm in the winter. By reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems, you can lower your energy bills and enjoy long-term savings. Moreover, energy-efficient windows can contribute to your company's sustainability efforts, which may attract environmentally conscious customers and improve your corporate image. Enhanced security and safety. Security is a top priority for any business owner. Older windows can be vulnerable to break-ins, especially if they have weak frames or outdated locking mechanisms. New commercial windows come equipped with improved safety features, such as reinforced glass, impact-resistant materials, and secure multi-point locking systems. These upgrades make it much harder for burglars or vandals to break into your business, protecting both your property and your assets. In addition to protecting against break-ins, modern windows can also improve your building's ability to withstand extreme weather conditions. In Washington, D.C., where the region may experience heavy storms or high winds, impact-resistant windows offer additional protection against flying debris and storm damage. By upgrading your windows, you're enhancing both the security and the structural integrity of your building, ensuring that it's better equipped to handle various threats. Natural light and employee well-being. The environment inside your business can productivity and well-being. Natural light has been shown to improve mood, reduce stress, and increase overall workplace satisfaction. Installing new windows that allow for more natural light to enter your commercial space can create a more inviting and comfortable atmosphere for your employees and clients. For businesses that rely on customer interaction, such as retail shops, an abundance of natural light can make your space feel open, airy, and welcoming. It can also help showcase your products and services in the best possible light, encouraging potential customers to engage with your business. The aesthetic and psychological benefits of increased natural light can lead to improved employee morale, enhanced customer experiences, and a more positive work environment. Maintenance and durability. Old windows can be a hassle to maintain, requiring frequent repairs and sometimes posing long-term problems like leaks or drafts. Commercial window installation with high-quality, low-maintenance windows can save you time, effort, and money. Modern windows are designed to be more durable and weather-resistant, with materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum that don't warp, rot, or fade over time. These materials are not only more reliable but also require less upkeep, which means you won't have to spend time or money on constant repairs or replacements. Choosing windows that are built to last will reduce the risk of damage and ensure that your building remains well maintained for years to come, enhancing the overall value of the property. Increased property value. Installing new windows in your Washington, D.C. business can also increase the value of your property. Energy efficient, modern windows are a desirable feature for potential buyers or renters, especially in a city like Washington, D.C., where commercial real estate is highly sought after. If you plan to sell or lease your property in the future, the improved aesthetics, security, and energy efficiency provided by new windows will make your building more attractive and increase its marketability. New windows can also help you stay competitive in the rental market by providing tenants with lower energy bills, better comfort, and a more secure environment. This can make your commercial space more appealing and, in turn, help you secure better tenants at higher rates. Final thought. Investing in commercial window installation is one of the smartest decisions you can make for your Washington, D.C. business. The right windows can enhance your building's curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, increase security, and create a healthier, more comfortable working environment. Whether you're looking to attract more customers, retain better tenants, or simply improve your operational efficiency, new windows are a valuable asset to your business. Consult with a trusted window installation professional in Washington, D.C. to find the best options for your commercial property and start reaping the benefits today.